Already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Minneapolis, St. Paul, Edina, St. Louis Park, Roseville, Golden Valley, Hopkins, Falcon Heights, University of Minnesota Minneapolis campus, South Minneapolis and Minnesota State Fair. Additional rainfall amounts of another inch or two are possible in the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Wednesday night, showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms overnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe.
4S just got that.
Lows near 70.
We probably got this warning though. But yeah, now it's plugged into that thing. It'll go off whenever Ramsey County is affected with an emergency alert from EAS. So that being flash flood warning, maybe tornado watch and tornado warning too. But yeah, that's pretty much it.